Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. My name is Aneke here at Aneke Budgets, and on here we do cast up and budget and paying off for that and mind their business, not necessarily in them for orders. So if that is something that you're interested in, go ahead, like, subscribe, share the video, leave a comment down below, all of the above, child, A, B, C, and D. Okay, but you guys already know what time it is, so no shade, no tea. Let's do this budget with me. Okay, y'all, so I went ahead and I filled in my salary, all my expenses, cash envelope, sinking funds, additional savings, and yada yada. Basically all of the books. So let me zoom y'all in. These are all my binders that I was working with, but per usual, your girl is zooming y'all in so y'all can see my business. I love when y'all do that. So see all my business, y'all. So first things first. Okay, first things first. The budget. So the salary, I got paid $1,471. Is that what it is? What was it? $1,471? I think it's $1,471.60. I think that's what it is. That number sounds way too specific and way too right for it to be wrong. You feel me? So it's not 170, but 171.60. And then y'all, I went outside, right, because I had to go to the grocery store, and I was feeling through this jacket, which is my best friend's jacket, but it's here with me all the way in Asia. And I found money. I found money, y'all. So in the jacket I found $5, $6, and $7. So I am going to add this as a part of money, right? $7.25 to be exact, but the 25 cents is going in here inside my mini coin jar, whatever, because these dollar bills, they traveled from America to South Korea. They is not playing. So we are gonna do cash. We're gonna write cash here for income, and we are gonna do $7 here. And so we're basically gonna add these up together. So this is $1,471.60 plus $7 equals to $1,478.60. So boom, y'all, boom. Okay, so that is the total that we're working with, $1,478.60. Now, if you was here for my first challenge, you know your girl did not. I usually do half and half on my mortgage, but for whatever reason, there was a reason, I'm pretty sure, I did not do half of my mortgage the last time. I only did 420. I only did 420. That's so childish. Why did you laugh? I only did 420. So my mortgage on a normal day is $1,320, and like I said, I only did 420. So we're gonna subtract 420 from what's it called? From 1,320, and so I need an additional $900. God dang. Okay, so I need an additional $900 to basically have my mortgage money. I did not $900. That's crazy. So this is $900 that is needed for my mortgage. I also do 10% of tithes, so 147, girl, 147, 1.60, and we do 10% of that, so times 0.10, which is 10%, equals, I put divide, it's my fault, 147.160 times 10%, which is equal to $147.16, so $148. So my tithes down here is 148 because I always round up. So that's that. Merrick is my dad in Jamaica. He's getting $100. Apple Care is $8.01. Apple One is $18.18. Canva is $12.99. Water, let me see how much I budgeted for on the monthly. Water, I budgeted $60 for water. Electricity, I budgeted 100. And so I'm going to see if there's even any money left basically after this, because baby. All right, so 900 plus the 148 plus the $8.01 plus the 18.18 plus the $12.99 plus the $60 plus the $100. Okay, $1,247.18. That is what it came up to. $1,247.18. Baby, where is the money? Because she is going fast. $1,247.18. So we are going to subtract this amount, right? $1,478.60. We're going to subtract that $1,247.18. That leaves me with $231.42. Who child? This is ghetto. This is ghetto. This is ghetto. But it is what it is. All right, so there's nothing really like mandatory, you feel me, a mandatory that I need to do on this budget. Like, all my bills are paid. Since all my bills are paid, I'm good. But since your girl needs to eat and do all of them things, I'm gonna go ahead and do it. So, right, for my groceries are usually budgeted $150, but I only have $231.42. Now I do have some extra income that I can work with. Literally, they gave us more money for extra income, so baby, why not, you know, feel me? So I am expecting the next check, right? So you feel me? I'm only gonna put $100 for groceries. All right, so I'm gonna put $100 for groceries because child, come on. And then gas, I did spend a little bit out of gas, not too much, so it's nothing crazy, just a little bit out of gas. So I'm not gonna put anything in gas this time, right? Because there's no need for it. I have like enough money that it will survive whatever else I need to do. Household, I did spend some money at a household, and she, you know, she looks slim now. She lost some weight. She's not bad, but she lost some weight. Now, do I need her this month, this check? I don't think so. I don't believe so. I don't think I need her this check to have any money, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a no. Allowance, I'm gonna give $20 because baby, if you have seen my cash tracking, child, you know. Listen, I told myself once a week. Is that what I said? I said once a week I'ma eat out, kind of thing. So yeah. Toiletries, I do need to add, I'm gonna add $5 to her simply because, listen, I need to buy hand soap, and I think that's it. I just need to buy hand soap. Like I have some still, and I am making a child, but she is about to be finito, done, gone, moving out of state, moving out of country, basically like myself. So I need some toiletries, so I'm gonna put $5 in there. Hair care, I really don't need because I have what I need already. So this is $120 and $125, and that is my total. So I'm gonna put $125 in cash envelopes, right? And so from this 231.42, which is what I had left over, minus this 125, I have $106.42 left. So let's do 106.42. These dollars and cents, I'll be doing the most, but it's okay. It's okay. Excuse me. So $106.42. I have what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 envelopes in my sinking fund. So this is my sinking fund section. I have 7 envelopes in there, child. What are my priorities for this envelope? Honestly, the Christmas challenge is my priority. I'm supposed to be putting in like $200. I put a note on here, y'all. I put a note because it's my 4th quarter goal. So I need to put a note. Man, I need to put in, let me find them, because I have a specific amount I need to put every month. Ooh, I found it. That I need to put every month in order for me to like meet my 4th quarter goal for the Christmas challenge. And so right now I believe I put, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, so we are going to do $50 for the Christmas challenge because, yes, with this check, yep, $50. Okay, so $50 for this check right here. And so we're down by 50 now. My 10 of a kind challenge, they only do 50 child. So if I'm gonna do anything, not my 10 of a kind, my cash envelopes, my cash, oh, girl, speak. My cash envelopes only do $50 bills right now because I'm in my 46 to 50 range, and so I only put $50 bills in there. So you feel me? I am, you know, feeling froggy a little bit. So for my 100 envelopes, I'm gonna put the $50. Boom. We're gonna do that just to get there. For my 10 of a kind challenge, I am gonna put $5. You feel me? And then I'm gonna put $1.42 into my emergency fund. I know y'all like, girl, what? Yeah, so nothing's going in birthday, nothing's going in travel, nothing's going in home maintenance. It just is what it is. So $1.42 to emergency fund. Christmas challenge gets $50. 10 of a kind challenge gets $5, and cash envelopes gets $50. So when you add all them bad boy up, $1.42 plus 50 plus 5 plus 50, that equals to $106.42, which is what I had left over. So $106.42, and we're gonna have a remainder of 0. So a total in saving, additional savings of 0. So a total of 0 and nothing. And then we are going to slide down here to the categories, and we're just going to basically fill it all out again and then go from there. So my budget says income source is $1,478.60. My expenses, she was $1,247.18. My cash envelopes, I only did $125. My sinking funds, they did $106.42. My additional savings did nothing, and my additional debt did nothing, and that leaves me with a remainder of nothing. All right, so that is basically how I'm budgeting this money. This is the second check, child. It's a good thing we have a third one because, baby, okay, we was not gonna make it. Just, you know, we're just putting it out there. We was not gonna make it, but we got third check to budget. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go do my cash withdrawal breakdown for this check, right? Because this is 14 October. That is 14 October check, and then we're gonna write it down, do our cash withdrawals, and then come back here and then close out the video. Y'all, I was recording but not recording, but I was saying that I did put my groceries on here initially, but I'm not taking that out of the bank because honestly I've spent it already. It's the weekend, so I spent this money already, and a holiday weekend. So yeah, but that is my budget, y'all. That is my $1,478.60, just majority bills gone and done. But yeah, so that's how I'm gonna do it. But don't worry, the next check is gonna be fun because the next check has no bills. It has no bills, so it got nothing holding it back from being great and wonderful and awesome. So we are excited to see what exactly I'm gonna use that money for. Oh, okay, too much excitement. So we're gonna be excited, or we are excited to see what exactly I'm gonna use that money for. And yeah, I'm gonna do my budget with me because, baby, yeah, excited. So anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. My name's Aneke, and I will see y'all in the next one. We just got money everywhere, like things just, yeah, we will see y'all in the next one. Okay, bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing, but she